My name's Katie. I'm a machinist apprentice at AIM Hydraulics over in Hull. So machinists essentially start from programming a job, working from technical engineering drawings, and then you work with machinery to produce and manufacture those parts. So AIM Hydraulics basically offers a breakdown and repair service for hydraulic parts. So it could be anything from a few hundred grams to a few ton parts. We do anything and everything really. We work for a lot of different companies and suppliers, and every job I've done is completely different to the rest. So I've been doing my apprenticeship for about 2 years now, and I have about 2 years left. So with this job, the possibilities are endless, to be honest. I have a lot of different pathways that I can go down, but ideally I'd like to stay with this company for a few years and just build up my knowledge base. But really it's the kind of industry where you just keep on learning. There is no, ultimate goal to get to, you just keep going.